Hi guys. So this is our video, our next video on the human nature series, and today I'm going to talk about. Okay, I just read the toxic types of people, and I don't know. I was able to. I have been. I was able to connect with every character that is according to the writer, that is you can say manipulative and very much toxic. So am I one of them? Maybe because I will accept it. If I am, I will accept it, and it seems to me that yes, some traits I have which I should not possess, or I should quit. So, what is my plan is that I'm going to tell you about a summary, okay, and what I feel, because I think articulating my views is more important than just kind of repeating the book's content again. So, what I have got new by reading this 6 7 pages, the in the chapters or in the topic, the writer has no write wrote the writer has written about every type of people, almost every type of person that we encounter with in everyday life of ours. And I was very much, when I was reading the lines, I was it was they these those lines were very much relatable, and I was able to connect those lines with the people that I know, and some of the line, or I would say most of the lines of toxicity was fit, was suits was suited on me, and I won't lie, because I can say that I am a toxic type of person, because I have also gone through, you can say, because of my character, or because of my toxic behavior, personality, I don't have much friends. I have you know issues like showing off. I love to show off. Why? I don't know. Even I know that I don't, whatever things that I show off about, I don't possess them, and I most of the time show off fake things. Like I would, if I would be pretending that I'm very much kind of mature person, then I know that it is a lie. But even then, I pretend. See, according, if you want to listen my conclusion, then I would say that the lines that I have read, and according to me, every person is wearing a mask. Every person that we know is wearing a mask. Every person has two personalities. One that you know about him or her, and one that is the reality. And that reality, he or she would never, show you in front of you. They will never show their real character. They will never show their real version in front of you, and that I can connect. See, how can I connect? Because I have, seen such people. I have met some people that were uh, very much related to the characteristics that writer has had written. Oh yeah, here's so I think uh, we should not trust anyone because it will only make us weak emotionally. So I mean, yes, of course, you can believe on people's, but don't get dependent on them. Don't think that they would not break your trust. They would not, you know, they would retain their words, their promises, their kind of whatever they told you in serious way, no matter how many times they tell, no matter how many times they promise you, no matter how many times they make you assure about that they will retain their words. But the reality, my friend, is beyond that. One thing that you must remember whenever you feel like you are getting attached with anyone, and you are being like you trust a person blindly, just one thing you have to remember, that are you trusting God? Are you trusting to a a spirit, an angel? Because if your answer would be in yes, then of course there is nothing wrong in trusting them. But if you would be trusting a human being, then of course, brother or sister, you must be conscious about this, that a human can lie, and that lie would be in the way in which you would never be able to catch that if it is a lie or not. What I want to say is that human being can lie. Human being lie. And even then, even when they, it may happen that the person who promised you, the person who says that trust me, it may happen that of course he is very much concerned, very much dedicated, that he or she would not break your trust at that particular moment. But brother, time changes. With time, thinking changes, thought changes, ways changes, and of course, people changes. And when you trust someone so blindly, and when you expect other one that he would be yours friend, he would be your friend, or she would be your friend, then do not disguise yourself by saying that he is more than that of friend, because no human being is on the earth who live for others. Each one of them, humans, I'm talking about humans. Yeah, there may be some exception, but when it is about common people, when it is about like you know grust like us. I'm not talking about monks. I'm not talking about who have renounced the word. No, I'm talking about the common people like we, like you, like I, and no human being is the the priority of a person is always remain himself or herself, and it would never change. This fact is never going to change. And you must understand that if you are weaker than the other person, then leave it from your side right now. Because if you think that you are weak in any way, in emotional way, in physical way, in economical way, then leave the person. Otherwise, you would feel regret about it when that other person would be leaving you. You, when you are better than the other person, I'm talking about the partners, spouse, relationships, and if that would be the case, first you have to ensure that if you are the better from all these sector, emotional, mental, physical, and of course economical, because then only you can be able to you know make yourself feel better after other person shows his real character. You understand? I hope you are understanding. After 15 minutes, I will be talking to you in Hindi for 5 minutes. Okay? On not 5 minutes, 2 minutes, I think 2 minutes are good. So, 2 minutes, I will be talking about anything else. I'll be talking in Hindi. And one thing that I want to uh, add that every person that you know, every human being that you know, accepts, uh, you know, beside besides your family members, besides your father, besides your mother, your blood relatives, everybody, everybody is selfish. Never make this mistake to think that that person cares you better than you. No, the only person who can care for you or who think about you is that is you, only you. Okay, that is. I was talking about human nature, and yes, I'm talking about. I'm telling you, according to my experience, that yes, people wear masks. People wear masks. They show something else, and they are actually they actually are something else. So never get confused. Be yourself. Be yourself. Of course, be yourself. Don't live for people. Live for yourself. Live according to you. If you're not physically attractive, that is okay. But acquire power, create power, make yourself better. Because at after a point, physical strength, physical way does not matter. Mental strength, your knowledge matters a lot. Okay, so and what is more important than your physical, your social identity? That is what you have created, what you possess, and how high you stand. राइट या। सो 15 मिनट बीत चुके हैं, थोड़ी सी हिंदी 5-2 मिनट के लिए, 17 पे इस वीडियो को ख़त्म कर दूंगा। देखो यार, लिटरली 15-20 दिनों में तो, या अगर मैं कहूँ कि कंसिस्टेंट हूँ, कंसिस्टेंसी के हिसाब से 10-5 दिन भी नहीं हुए होंगे। मैं जानता हूँ कई सारी कन्फ्यूज़न में मेरे सेंटेंस जाते हैं, बहुत कन्फ्यूज़न होती है, बहुत ज़्यादा ही कन्फ्यूज़न होती है। आई थिंक कहीं और बोलना भी चाह रहा हूँ लेकिन शायद मेरे पास वर्ड्स नहीं होते, तो कुछ और ही बोल देता हूँ, या फिर जिस वर्ड का यूज़ करके एम्फेसाइज पड़ेगा, उस पर जोर पड़ेगा, वो यूज़ ही नहीं करता हूँ। एंड बहुत बोरिंग सी कन्वर्सेशन हो जाती है, कोई पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक नहीं है, किसी अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन करना कोई चीज़ को इंग्लिश में, दैट वुड बी बेटर, दैट वुड बी बेस्ट। और वही मेरे से अभी शायद हो नहीं रहा है, बट आई प्रॉमिस यार कि आई वुड बी सून डूइंग इन दैट वे। एंड मेरे वो ना, पक्का आप ट्रस्ट कर लो डैट अब ना तुम्हारा भाई रुकेगा नहीं। देखो यार, तुम्हारे भाई ने बहुत गलतियाँ कर ली हैं, बहुत। अब वक्त नहीं है गलतियाँ करने का, वक्त बीत गया है। ओवर टाइम होके गलतियाँ करी हैं, गलतियाँ क्या करी हैं, गुनाह ही मानो, बेवकूफ़ी मानो, गलतियाँ भी नहीं कहूँगा मैं, बेवकूफ़ी ही है। कई बार बहुत बेवकूफ़ी करी है, और मैं नहीं चाहता कि तुम लोग भी वो बेवकूफ़ी भी करो। एंड दैट इज़ वाई आई वॉन्ट यू टू ग्रो। ग्रो करो यार, ग्रो करो, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है ग्रो करना। जहाँ आपने ग्रोथ करना रोक दी, वहाँ ये मान लो कि आप इस दुनिया में सिर्फ बेइज्जती के हकदार होंगे, सिर्फ अपमान के हकदार होंगे। ठीक है, आप ग्रो तो कहीं से भी कर सकते हो। बाय।